Welcome to our channel. In this fascinating DIY tutorial, we'll show you how to assemble a stunning hexagonal honeycomb light. Whether you're an avid DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to add a touch of elegance to your space, this step-by-step guide will get you inspired and ready to make your own stunning cellular lights. Join us and explore the world of creativity and lighting.
Check whether the accessories are consistent with the installation instructions. The lamps and connectors are placed in accordance with the graphics in the installation manual. Splicing lamps and connectors. Pay attention to where the wires are connected.
This is your personalized hexagonal cellular light. It will definitely impress anyone who sees it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects like this. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, keep being creative and keep lighting up your world.